Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ha kasngi baar kata kapratri urum pang arajar upsau. Kapraim Mega Pynïaid Expo arajar upsau. Lasdang ya ke program da Jinghikai na ka Walmart. Kumno bagi nong sengkam lajong kin Pynïaid yo ya ki mar ki jongki. Lyngba ka online kum ka Walmart, Flipkart, Amazon, but kiwei ki jing Pynïaid yo Lyngba ka internet.
We are basically have the 3 modules comprising of which we gonna give training to you. First is after what is Walmart business main aim. So you basically whoever do business, you just get some start in some point of time. So in this module we have all the solutions that how can you grow your business online. See, we give you the training through 3 module. It's like using case study. Self-evaluations means you can solve your problem yourself and listening to success story. We Walmart BT have lot of success stories. We will share with you also.
So the major learning what we will do, we'll get to know how we can sell your where we have to sell our product. So first of all, the major intention. So the major thing what we are means we are doing business to sell our product, right? So we have to know where we have to sell our product, how to sell the product, how we can basically reduce the cost so that we'll get more benefit, more profits actually. Third one would be how to set your price. So as you guys can see in e-commerce platform, the major thing what we will be looking at to get the product in a lesser price, right? So how we have to do the pricing properly, and the fourth one would be how to get succeeded in e-commerce platform. These are the 4 things what we will be taking care today. So first one, where to sell. So basically you can say we have a case study actually. So we have a company which is there currently with Walmart also. The company name is Dreamy. This company is basically from based out of Pynïaid. You can say, you can take any company name which is basically your organization in Shillong. The major issue what you are facing, like if you have a product, but you have only the local people who are purchasing your product, right? So you don't know where to sell your product globally, you can say, or you can say throughout India basis. And the second one is the production limitation. So as you are getting limited orders from your local vendors, so you have you don't have that much capacity to produce more actually. So these are the 2 basic problem what each and every entrepreneur is facing basically if you are not into the e-commerce segment. So what can Kiran do to increase their customer base? So basically, now she is selling in local bedding store, local area only. So what they have to do? They have to, means in the sense, there will be 3 type of markets, okay. For each and every business, there is 3 market. First one would be general trade, second one would be modern trade, third one is e-commerce. General trade in the sense, the local market, what you are having. Suppose your shop is there and nearby you are selling the product, right? So that called general trade, where you are means catering the product within 15 km or 20 km of radius maximum. The modern trade would be basically where you guys are having multiple chains. You can say the Big Bazaar or the Smart Bazaar. The chain are there throughout India basis where you are selling your product, and the e-commerce would be, you guys know that e-commerce is Flipkart, Amazon and all those platforms where you are selling your product virtually and you can cater to all over India basis. You are having any idea about modern trade? Trade fair you can say, but modern trade what it is, no, it is a chain of business actually. So the business what is there in Shillong as well as they have their chain is in Guwahati, you can say in other part of Northeast or throughout India basis, like Chroma. You guys know about Chroma, right? You guys know about Smart Bazaar, More and all those stuff. So where they have chain of business, means they are either they are there in several regions in India where they are selling their product. That is called as a modern trade. And the third one is e-commerce. So e-commerce you guys are aware about, right? Any of you are purchasing product from Flipkart or Amazon? You guys are doing, right? So that is called as a Amazon. That is called as a e-commerce, where the supplier is selling their product from India. They can sell their product from anywhere in India. Suppose they are selling their product from Bangalore, and you are purchasing from here only, and the product is getting delivered to your house. So that is called as a e-commerce. So where you don't have a physical store, you have a virtual store, and where you are updating your product over there, and anyone from anywhere can purchase the product. So now this Primi, or you can say any business owner who is doing general trade, who is into local market, so to get the more customer, what they should do? What do you guys think? Suppose you are selling locally, now you want to sell in a large scale. What you guys should do? You guys are having any idea? You can say, ma'am, you can say anything. I mean, suppose you are selling locally, right? And suppose you want to get more customer, what you should do? I mean, what channel you guys should follow? Anyone can? It can be actually it can be modern trade, it can be e-commerce also, right? So suppose you are selling in general trade, now you guys want to sell the product on modern trade as well as the e-commerce. So you have more reach, right? Where you can cater to the maximum customer, more number of customer you can see. So you can say, now you will get to understand the reach of the, actually each channel, reach of the channels. So general trade would be you are selling in local market. So suppose you are manufacturing your product in Meghalaya, and basically you are selling your product in Meghalaya only, or you can say in Shillong only. You are not supplying to other part of India, right? So you have a certain market, means you have a limited customer, limited number of customers. So suppose you are selling in Shillong, so there will be a, you can say there will be 10,000 of customers. You can't go beyond that one, right? So every place they have their own populations. So if you have to cater to all India basis, you have to either choose the modern trade as well as the e-commerce, where you can cater to throughout India. So see, you can say there is a seller name called Loop and Knot. They are manufacturer of handicrafts. Now they are selling the product in e-commerce, and they are covering pan-India basis when they are selling their product actually.
As you all know that if you go to sell anything, if you sell it through in your shop or e-commerce, there is a huge difference of price. Means anything if you want, you go to a local shop and if you get it in 100 rupees, you can see that in Flipkart and Amazon, you get it in 80 or 90 rupees. So how it has happened? That is the things that our Walmart with the program teach you to reduce your cost also, so that you will be competitive in the market. So see, this is the case. Kira convinced to sell in Flipkart. So she planned her beginning journey, selling journey in Flipkart. The problem was that price of e-commerce are lower than the general trade store. As I said, if you anything you purchase from a store and e-commerce platform, there is a huge price difference. And to make to be the competitive in the market, you should reduce your price in the e-commerce platform at least. So in our module, you can learn also how to reduce your price. So see, this is anything if you want to sell in general stores, you get it at 1,000 rupees. Then in modern trade, you get it at 800 rupees, and in e-commerce, it's become the 500 rupees. So there is a huge price gap. How it's happened? So 8 types of things who determine your cost of a business. For example, you need to manufacture anything, you need to raw material, then you have to manufacture it, you need machine and plant and others. Then you have also sales and marketing cost like advertisement and others. Then admin accounts, then your logistics part from factory to the store, then to the consumer, then your distributor, wholesaler, retailer, margin, and then go to the direct consumer.
So how you can calculate the product pricing? So it has to be total cost plus the unit produced. The total cost divided by the unit produced has to be your main production cost. And the cost of the fixed like sales and marketing and admin and accounting, it has to be added, and it is a basically you can say you have to add the total number of unit you are producing above the cost actually. So these all things you have to go through, then only you can calculate the pricing. Now the major thing actually, how you can succeed on e-commerce platform. So those are the three basically you can say where you can sell, in the sense you can sell apart from general trade you are selling to the e-commerce platform. Second one would be how to reduce the cost. Third one would be how to price your product. And the major important why you are doing all those things, like how you can succeed our business in e-commerce platform. So this is basically a case study. Basically this is you can say this is a success story. So he is a manufacturer from Bhopal who is basically manufacturing cold pressed oil. So basically organic oil he is manufacturing, and he is not from the business background and he don't have a knowledge, means it is a bootstrap, you can say he is a new manufacturer, and he is selling his product. He started selling from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and now he is selling to the all over India basis. You can see now as he is doing in multiple oils, he is manufacturing the food oils, means edible oils. So the oils also has a different market. The northern part of India are the major consumer for the sunflower oil or the mustard seed oil, right? But in the southern part, they are majorly consuming the coconut oil. So you need to know what means where you are selling the product, what product. So you need to, first of all, you need to sell the perfect product to the perfect consumer. Suppose if you are selling coconut oil to the northern part, the sale will be lesser. And so you need to, first of all, you need to know the you can say the products what the consumer is looking for. So he started selling his mustard oil and all in UP, Bihar and Delhi, and in southern region he started selling the coconut oil and sesame oil. What he got 10x increase in online sales, and second one he is getting moreover 40%, you can say 40% more sales in his overall sales actually. So once he joined us, so this is his success story. The support received through Walmart program was not merely about business growth, it was about empowering us with knowledge and confidence. So that's how he joined us, I guess on 2021. From there he has done around, he's with us for last 3 years, and he is doing very good with Flipkart, as well as he is there in Amazon also.